Flip and Flop by Dawn Apperley. Whee! Said Flip. Look at me, I can stand on one leg. Me too, spluttered Flop. I can do it too. But he couldn't and toppled slowly over into the snow. Flip was 5, Flop was 2. Whatever Flip did, Flop did too. I'm making a snow penguin, said Flip. Me too, said Flop. I'm in my secret hideout, said Flip. Me too, said Flop. In fact, whatever Flip did, Flop did too. Flip and Flop played a made-up game called Boomba. They jumped into the snow, bouncing on their bottoms. Boomba! Shouted Flip. Boomba! Shouted Flop. Flop loved playing Boomba with Flip. He could play it forever. But sometimes, Flip wanted to play other games. One day, Flip was on the play slope playing slip slide with his friend Hip. Flop waddled over. Let's play Boomba! Said Flop excitedly. Flip loved Flop. Flop loved Flip. But sometimes, Flip thought his little brother was a pest. No, said Flip. I want to play slip slide with Hip, not Boomba with you. No way! At the top of the slope, someone was watching him. A little bear came sliding down. My name is Hop. Who are you? Said the little bear. I'm Flop, said Flop, grinning. Do you want to play Boomba with me? Yes, said Hop with a big smile. Together, they jumped into the snow, bouncing on their bottoms. Boomba! Shouted Flop and Hop as loudly as they could. They were having a really good time. My brother didn't want to play with me today, said Flop. Mine didn't either, said Hop. I'm happy I played with you, said Flop. Me too, said Hop. Soon it was time to go home. The two friends skipped back to the play slope. At the play slope, Flip and Hip were bored with playing slip slide. They looked gloomy. Flip, this is my friend Hop, said Flop proudly. And he's my baby brother, said Hip. Let's all play together, said Flip. And make up a new game, added Flop. Flip, Flop, Hip and Hop invented a new game called Slip Slide Boomba. They whizzed, slipped, slid, jumped, and all together shouted, Boomba! The end.